In Python, it's very easy to write and pass JSON data. And this tutorial, I'll teach you how to do that. So let's say you have a piece of data and this is just a Python dictionary which consists name maps to Felix and age maps to 20. And you want to write this piece of data to JSON, or you want to pass this piece of data in JSON. All you need to do is to import JSON. So in Python, when you install Python, JSON comes pre-installed with Python. And after importing JSON, you can come here and say, okay, your JSON data or data JSON, let me just call it JSON underscore data is equal to json.dumps, and then you pass in your data. So you use json.dumps and you pass in your data. And just by doing this, you get your data dumped to a JSON object. So I'll go ahead and print my data, and you can see now we have our JSON data here. So this is how easy you can pass data and write it into a JSON format using the Python programming language. Let me know if you like this tutorial, and also feel free to bring your comments. If there is anything you don't understand, just put it up in the comment section, and like this tutorial, share it and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.